What is this student song?
This is just humming.
Just your humming.
Yes, sir?
It's your humming.
Yes.
What's your name?
Abhita.
Okay.
I'm actually from Bombay, but now I'm settling in Delhi.
From Bombay where?
Lokhandwala.
Very close to my place. Why have you come here to Delhi?
I'm married here.
Okay. And you're doing acting. How
As a
lovely.
hobby. I used to do it at college and stuff, you know, so. I saw
You
this
were in Bombay
workshop.
College?
Michigan.
Okay. There was theatre activity there?
But yeah. I had it as a, you know, we had an elocution and stuff and everything. This is it.
आपका नाम?
Aves.
कहाँ
Sir, I'm from UP.
का?
Eta.
इतना नहीं वो इटावा.
नहीं सर, एटा हम लोग को नियर बाई आगरा।
अच्छा आगरा. आप कहाँ के? रांची के हैं?
लोग तो गए थे रांची अभी।
झारखंड के. Okay. So hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. So it's his birthday today. सबसे पहले आपकी एक्टिंग देखने को मिला. गाना दिल से गाना सुनाओ.
हाँ भाई
मतलब गाना दिल से गाना सुनाओ. एक मतलब गाना बहुत ही घटिया होता तरीका. हैप्पी बर्थडे लगता है. एक मतलब दिल से गाना. तो आपका एक्टिंग का जो टेस्ट है वो ये गाना दिल से गाना सुना करो. ओके 1 2 3 एक्शन. भीड़ में जिस किसी को लगता है कि मेरे को तो आँख पलटी हुई है, वहीं पर आँख पड़ती है जो गा नहीं रहा होता है. क्या होता है कि ऐसा एक वाइट शॉट होता है क्या मेरा बैग ही है, मगर वो बैग से मालूम पड़ जाता है कि ये मौजूद नहीं है. Is being present. You have to be present in whatever you're doing. You have to have your breath. जिस तरह सांस नहीं चलती तो आदमी मर जाता है, इस तरह उसी तरह एक्टर अगर मौजूद नहीं होता अपने किरदार में, it shows like a dot ball beat, and the audience is like a hound. Blood trail होता ना, the hound looks for the blood trail. It comes to know something is not right, and then it keeps on adding up, and the performance becomes weak, indifferent, half-hearted performance. So to be a good actor, you have to be a passionate person. So you're all actors. Wanting to be actors?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And you all want to come to Mumbai then?
Yes.
Not necessary. Now there is no opportunity here. There is television being done here, movies being done here. I think very soon it will be, now with the web opening up, possible for you to be, the industry will get decentralized. Industry need not be that place called Mumbai where you used to come and then wait outside. Powers. But as of now, the organized industry is still very much in Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Hyderabad. And I think these are the centers. So what do you think is thing that you how long you have been here in this course?
Second week, 1.5 months.
ये क्या करते हैं क्या आप बताइए जरा. 1.5 months में आपने किया क्या? What do you do, Sanjay?
So me,
No, just being good looking is not means nothing. Om Puri, the great actor. He changed the whole complexion of the film industry. लोग बोलते थे यार इस किस्म के आदमी कैसे काम करेगा? उसके not only he was simple looking, ordinary, according to the Hindi cinema industry, but he also had a deformity by the standards of the industry, of having the small pokes marks on his face. But what a brilliant actor! उससे ज़्यादा खूबसूरत आदमी नहीं थे, मुस्कुराता था वो, जादू लग रहा था, उसकी आंखों में, when he used to come close and smile, he had the most stunning smile. You know, one of the simplest tests for acting is to make a person just stand up. See, now come stand here. Just stand.
Facing there.
Just stand. Yeah. Just there, just stand. See, so difficult to stand. He's immediately put his hand behind. It's very difficult to just stand. ऐसा लगता है हाथ काट के फेंक देना, हाँ? समझ नहीं आता हाथ काट, इसलिए you see actors used to hold something in their hand. So just try and stand. Just come in a stand. See, क्या होता है आज जब एक्टिंग करने आते हैं, पहले आपको लगता है कि हमको भी एक इम्प्रेशन जमाना चाहिए, कोई इम्प्रेशन जमाना नहीं चाहिए. आपको बोला गया खड़े रहिए, आपको ये नहीं बोला खड़े रह के इम्प्रेशन जमाइए. करेक्ट? You just stand. Just stand. You can't do it. So difficult to do. फोटो खिंचवाना कितना मुश्किल है, समझ नहीं आता है, स्माइल ही नहीं आ रही है, स्माइल होल्ड नहीं कर सकता इंसान. आजकल तो सेल्फी में आप लोग ट्रेन हो गए. See, very difficult to stand. Come stand. Just stand. Come and stand. Come in center. Stand. Just stand. Start talking what you're feeling. You're feeling conscious?
A little bit.
Yes.
I tend to move on one side.
That's very good. Keep on talking. Exactly. Don't disown what you're feeling. It's the most difficult thing to come on the stage and stand. It's the most difficult thing to do.
Very difficult to be still.
You don't have to be still. Just face the discomfort. It's difficult, right?
Yes.
Your throat feels dry. From year to year, when you walk, there was fear. Right? That's the most important thing. That's the most important thing. See what she said. यहाँ से लेके यहाँ चलने में एक डर लगा, गला सूख गया इसका, correct? She's a very pretty girl. What's wrong with her? No, there is a fear in standing with your entire being in front of a room full of people. So it's the most difficult thing to do, and you'll never get comfortable with this. I will give you an example. My daughter Alia was a star now. Just one day before she shot for Student of the Year, she came to my office. मुझे लगा पता नहीं क्यों आई है, आती नहीं थी ऑफिस. मुझे लगा ऐसी आएगी, maybe she wanted to use the washroom or something, passing my mind. We stay in Jubilee, the office is in Bangalore. I said, what brought you here? She still will say, I want to talk to you. So I said, what happened? And she looked like you, nervous. She said, what if you find out that the thing you want the most You just don't have the talent to do it. So I said, explain. She said, I don't think I can act. I said, anybody who can stand up and say this so simply can act. Because an actor is a person who's continuously in touch with his or her emotion. So I said, just wait. So I called Imran Hashmi, was there in the other room. So instead of talking to her alone, I called everybody. I said, just sit down here. I said, now stand up. I said, say what you wanted to say to me. अकेले में तू क्या बोलना चाहती थी मेरे को? She looked at me as if it was an act of betrayal. I said, repeat what I was saying. You're saying. And then she repeated. She says, I discovered that what I want the most, I don't have the talent to do it. And Imran was there, who was a senior, 10 years senior. He's 7 years senior at that time. He smiled. He said it doesn't get easy because his first take that he did for Film Park, he had 32 retakes. He just couldn't speak his line. इतना था कि वो रात भर तब मैं I left the set and went. मैंने कहा वो विक्रम को ऐसे मेरे होते हुए होगा नहीं. So ये self doubt मुझसे होगा नहीं होगा ये सब आपको सारी उम्र घेरेगा और जब आपको लगेगा कि आपको आ गया है ना, that is the day you are finished. जिस तरह अगर जब भी आप एक टाइट रोप पे वॉक करेंगे, जब भी आपकी 10 साल बाद 20 साल बाद, तो आपका जिस्म बोलेगा कि इक्विलिब्रियम नहीं है भैया, ये सेफ नहीं है. That means you are healthy. जब आपके अंदर वो फीलिंग चली जाए मतलब आप बीमार हो गए. So an actor will get experience, but experience वो जो feeling of uncertainty that is there, you will not go. The school can only teach you something very simple. जैसे गिटार बजाना आपको सिखा सकता हूँ, मगर संगीत देना नहीं सिखा सकता हूँ. The music comes from you. Somebody can make you play an instrument, but the music comes from you. So I feel that one of the most important thing is to understand कि जो शक आपको होता है अपने आप पे, बड़े बड़ों को होता है. मुझे कोई एक्टर नहीं मिला जिसको डर नहीं लगता. तो डरना बहुत ही एक हेल्दी निशानी है कि आप जिंदा हैं, आपकी सांस चल रही है. हाँ, when the fear gets paralyzing, that's where the problem begins. So I think what you will learn here is something very elemental. But the best of people did not come from any school. The school can only introduce you to certain course and give you some basic exposure to material, reading material, पढ़ लिया, फिल्में देख ली, कुछ material देख लिया. You all do also theatre here? No. Theatre and movie, everything, television, everything. जिस तरह swimming आप कैसे सीखते हैं? You learn swimming by swimming. You don't learn swimming by talking. पानी में उतरना पड़ता है, correct? Acting करने का तरीका, सीखने का तरीका यही है, करो, do it. Don't talk about it. कोई मैं ऐसी बात नहीं बोल रहा जो आपको समझ में नहीं आ रही है. Why are you staring at me as if you don't understand? I mean, you, yeah. I'm not saying anything which you don't understand. ठीक है? जो अगर मेरी बात तुमको समझ में नहीं आए मतलब प्रॉब्लम मेरे में तुम में नहीं है. जो आपको बात समझा नहीं सकता प्रॉब्लम उसके अंदर है. क्योंकि ऐसी क्या बात है एक्टिंग में जो आप नहीं समझती. आप फिल्म देखती हैं, रोती हैं, हंसना आता है, टेंशन होता है, all the elemental needs, सारा जो the essential salt that you require for a performance you have. So ऐसा कुछ नहीं है किताब में. Have you seen children? One of the greatest actors of all time, Marlon Brando said,
Yes, sir.
What's so great about acting? Children do it all the time. When you lie to your boyfriend or your girlfriend, how brilliantly you act. Right? Or you lie to your mother or your father, how brilliantly you act. So I feel, stand easy. Yeah. See, finding it difficult from there to walk, you didn't even know that it was there. So these are all shocks that you need to get. पर ऐसा कोई मैप नहीं है, कोई कंपास है नहीं कि मैं आपको एक ऐसा मैप दे दूंगा जिससे आप देख के फिर आप ट्रेजर वॉल्ट जो है वहां पर जाके आपको खजाना ढूंढेंगे, ऐसा है नहीं। ये रास्ता चलने से बनता है, ये रास्ता प्री एग्जिस्ट करता नहीं है। You have taken the first step, you have come here, you are very brave people.
शाहरुख खान से बहुत प्रभावित इसलिए हूँ is because he is one of the most courageous actors. You tell him 20 times the shot is not okay. He doesn't say, I'm such a big star. Why are you asking me to do again? He does it again. An actor is a very brave person. तो आपके अंदर हिम्मत बहुत होगी,
नहीं तो आप एक्टिंग के लिए आ ही नहीं सकते, क्योंकि अपने जिस्म को लेके खड़ा होना और बोलना कि अब मैं इस जिस्म के जरिए रोजी कमाऊंगा या अपनी जहन की बात करूंगा, ये बहुत अपने आप में बहुत बड़ी बात है। मगर इस तरह आप कोई आदमी लॉटरी की टिकट जीत ले और बोले कि साहब अब मैं समझाऊंगा कि लॉटरी की टिकट कैसे जीती जाती है, तो आप हंसेंगे ना उसके ऊपर। तो हर कोई जिसने वहां पर अपनी जगह बनाई है, इंक्लूडिंग मी, हम को कोई अधिकार नहीं कि हम खड़े होकर आपको लेक्चर दिए, तो हमको इमरान साहब यहाँ पर ले आए हैं, इनको खुशफहमी है कि हमको कुछ ज्यादा समझ है। हमको भी इतनी समझ है नहीं, क्योंकि हमने जिंदगी में फेलियर ज्यादा, आई हैव फेल्ड मोर ऑफन देन सक्सीडेड, आई हैव फेल्ड माय वे टू सक्सेस। तो एक इम्पॉर्टेंट बात यह है, डोंट गेट डिजेक्टेड। Most of the people who are very successful have been failures also. And then you will take an assessment कि मुझसे होता है कि नहीं होता। पर आज की तारीख में, thanks to the World Wide Web, thanks to television, to websites, there's a lot of opportunity. मैं भी आप इमरान से कह रहा था, I was sitting down in his office and some episode came from one of the soaps which I'm presenting. I was just editing that. तो उसमें I was saying कितने लोगों को काम मिलता है। There was a time when all these people who used to come to Bombay would not get work. So television is, and the World Wide Web has created a lot of opportunity. Today you all can have exposure here, and you all can come and make. And then of course it all depends on individual skills and your guts to go on and on and on. And as I said, no compass, no map, no path to follow. You each one will make his own way. तो आपका जिस्म अलग है, आपका लहजा अलग है, आपका बैकग्राउंड अलग है. But to come there and to be networking, that's another game. एक होता है एक्टिंग की स्किल, एक होता है कि इंडस्ट्री में सर्वाइव करने का एक हुनर होता है, वो अलग होता है. मुंबई में अनुपम खेर साहब हमारे स्टूडेंट थे, उन्होंने एक इंस्टीट्यूशन खोली है वहाँ पर. इसका मतलब नहीं कि हर कोई जो वहां पर आता है उसको गारंटी होती है कि काम मिल जाएगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. शाहरुख खान was इंस्टीट्यूशन के साथ ही पहली जॉन के करेक्ट. He just came there, he started with television, he did it. So there is no map. So all I want to say is, hard work cannot be dismissed. Luck is very important. Luck means being at the right place at the right time. And continuous exposure to the best material in the world. And the business is very competitive. very, very competent. You have no idea how competent he is.
But, as I said, you have taken the first step. The journey has begun. How many of you will actually live to face the camera or be on the stage depends completely on your zeal to go on. Okay? Thank you. Bye.